In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the vacuum control valve on this Audi S4. It's going to be on the back side of the intake. Let's get into it. Now you want to grab the engine cover and just pull straight up. It's just grommets holding it on. Now we're going to loosen up the worm clamp here. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop that off right there. Yeah, there's a worm clamp on the throttle body. You want to loosen that up. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Now, before we take that off, there's a hose right here with a clamp. You're going to have to take that hose off. And just to take this clamp off, you're going to have to spread it. You can use a pick like this, or get in there with a small straight blade screwdriver and just try to spread that apart. Or even just cut it and use a new style clamp, a worm style clamp. And just move that out of the way. I'm just going to use a trim tool and just pry this off. You can use a pick if you need to. Just pull it off the hose. Pop that off out of the way. And just grab the snorkel, pop that off the throttle body. Just using the trim tool to just break it free. And pull that off. Now there's a clamp right here. We're going to take that off. I'm just going to use a pick. This is the spread style clamp, just like the other one. You can try to reuse the clamps if you need to, but I'll just get underneath there with the pick. Slide that up out of the way. And down below there's another clamp like that. Just use a pick. Just try to spread that out. Just use the pick. Just separate the hose from the valve. There we go. There we go. There it is. And I'll do the same. Just want to get through there. Just be careful. Spread the clamp open. Now pull that off. Take the new valve. Slide that on. If you're not going to reuse the clamp, you want to take the old clamp off. Put a new clamp on, but this one's okay. We're going to reuse that. Just twist it back and forth, and that's how that was lined up. Looks good right there. Now we're going to use the hose clamp tool. It's going to tighten this down. Squeeze that. That's good. Give it a wiggle. It's nice and tight. Now the hose clamp down below. We're going to take that off. It's very hard to access the tool in there, so we're going to replace that hose clamp. Now, take the hose clamp, get that lined up, and take the valve, push that on. Make sure that's all the way down, and just raise up the hose clamp so I can tighten it. And just snug that down. That's tight. Make sure it's lined up, very similar to that. So this pipe is going to connect to the pipe that goes to the throttle body. Now put this hose on. Push that down in place. If you need to, spread that clamp a little more. And then I'm just going to reuse the clamp. for this one because it's still in good shape. All right, that's all the way down. Use the pliers for that, for tightening these down. Snug that down. That's good. Make sure that's lined up. And I'm just going to take this clamp off. We're just going to use a screw type clamp. Now take the snorkel, get this lined up. Push that in position. And we're going to put a new hose clamp on here. Get that lined up. Push that on. Right, that looks good. And we'll just tighten down the hose clamp. And just snug that down. That's good. And we'll tighten down the other hose clamps. Snug that down. And this one right here. Snug it down. I take the engine cover, get the grommets lined up, push it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.